Hey, what are you doing, man? Are you trying to open my door? Well, you were shining in mine. Okay, well, mine is pointing down too. What do you want? What do you want? Suspicious? Why? What? It's 1:41 in the morning every day. What's suspicious about 1:41 in the morning? It's 1:41 in the morning every day. You said a public park? There you go. You said a public park. So again, what the fuck are you trying to open in my door for? Okay, turn off your lights. You got 200,000 lights on me. Not with your attitude. What's yours? What's your name? You have a badge number? Are you trying to have a consensual encounter? I'm John. I am John. John.
Yeah, just
You can hear me now?
yeah, barely.
Okay.
Why are you being so difficult, John?
What do you mean difficult?
I'm having a hard time communicating with you.
Why do you even want to communicate with me? I'm eating my burger. Leave me alone.
Because it's suspicious.
Eating a burger is suspicious.
It's suspicious.
Eating a burger is...
With your lights off at 1:40 in the morning. And
My lights are on. My position lights are on. My headlights are off. I don't want to point headlights to the traffic. My position lights are on. You're ruining my dinner.
your name's Fabio. Okay. Alright, well, we know who you are, so you definitely know.
Sir? Not the other one. Excuse me, sir? Your name, please? Can you give me your name, please? Can you give me your name, please? Get your hand out of my car. What the f*** are you doing littering in my car? Tell me your name. I'm asking for your name. I'm not familiar with the English alphabet, sir. I'm asking for your name. What is your... You have a badge number or ID number?
6735.
Huh?
6735.
Thank you. And what was yours? Thank you.